With the blessings of our State Chief Commissioner Sri PGR Sandhya sir, along with Manoj Lekhi ji from LIA, Life Essence Academy. This is the holistic healing session featuring Dr. Jignasha and Ms. Preeti Shukla. I would also like to welcome the host for today, Mr. Vishal Methi. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much. Very good evening, everyone. I hope you all are doing really very well in your personal life as well as in your professional life. So, if you want to enjoy your personal life as well as your professional life, it is really important to live physically and mentally healthy. When you are physically and mentally healthy, you can live each and every moment of the life. Now, it is really important for us to be healthy at this moment during this pandemic time. So to make you healthy, we are organizing these 30 minutes sessions every day in the morning 7:30 a.m. to 8 a.m. as well as in the evening 7:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. Now, this 30-minute sessions is divided into two parts. First session, first session is of 20 minutes and second session is of 10 minutes. In first 20 minutes, you will learn yogic breathing, which will help you to improve your immunity as well as lungs capacity. That session will be taken care by Dr. Jignasha ji. She is a international sound healer as well as she's having expertise in yogic breathing. Second part will be taken care by Preeti Shukla ji. She will help us for the affirmations. These affirmations make you mentally very strong. So enjoy these 30-minute sessions with your entire family and friends. So now I would like to invite Dr. Jignasha ji. Over to you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Namaste. Namaste, everyone. Yeah, before we start, let's start with a prayer. First, just be relaxed. Close your eyes. Have a beautiful smile on your face. Whatever the posture is comfortable for you, sit in that posture. Sukhasana, Padmasana. Spine erect. Take a deep breath in. And slowly and gently breathe out. Relax, relax. Again, take a deep breath in. Hold. Slowly and gently breathe out. And relax your whole body. Relax, relax, relax. Now take both of your hands in Namaskar Mudra. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Gurave Namaha. Tashmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Relax your hand. Take your attention to the center of the forehead. Slowly and gently, you may open your eyes. Okay, let's revise. What have we learned in last 2 days? Some breathing exercises, right? One breathing technique, Kapalabhati, and one asana named Tadasana, right? So today we will first practice the thoracic breathing. Those we have learned already, but those who join today, the instruction
We have a technical difficulty. We will be back soon.
Manage. स्क्रीन मोटी કેવી રીતે કરશું?
Dear viewers, stay tuned. We are coming back. We are solving this technical difficulty. Keep yourself calm, and you can take a deep breath and have a meditation for 2 minutes. And we will be back with Dr. Jignasha.
Okay. Now let's
Good evening, everyone. Yes, there is some technical difficulties going on. So we'll be doing our affirmations part first. So for that, just bring your attention to your breath. Sit in a comfortable position. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Today we will be doing an affirmations on beliefs by Manoj. As we all know, affirmations are the statement of truth. When we speak them loudly or repeat them silently in our mind, they becomes the reality of our life as they directly goes to our subconscious mind. We have purposely kept some gap between two affirmations so that you can repeat them loudly or silently in your mind. So here we go. Again, bring your attention to your breath. Breath is a very important part of our life. So just be with these affirmations and ingrain them with your breath in your whole body. Just relax.
I choose to believe whatever empowers me. Everything happens for the best. My umbrella vision is to see divinity in every being. My umbrella habit is spending time with myself through the Leah 1 hour. My umbrella thought, seeing the magic in the world. My umbrella action, helping whosoever I meet from the context of Sarvajano Sukhino Bhavantu. I am catching the joke of life every moment. Everything happens for a reason and a purpose that serves us. We find great joy in little things, a smile, a flower, a sunset. The universe's plan is always bigger than mine, and it knows better than me what is best for me. Whatever happens in my life has to happen that way only. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Whatever is over, Forget, forgive, and move on. Thank you. What I sow is what I reap. Thank you. I believe that it's great to dream and even greater to live my dream. Thank you. I believe I am God's special child and He is all the time taking care of me in a special way. I believe that I am always surrounded by trustworthy people who are very loving and caring. Thank you. I believe that by every passing day, I am becoming more and more healthier than I was before. Thank you. I believe that every cell of mine is filled with divine energy and making my body as good as new all the time. Thank you. I believe that everything for me is being taken care of and everything is in the perfect order. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I complete what I start. I'm great and do great things. Everything happens in my life effortlessly. Everything happens for the best. Thank you, thank you, thank you. When I want it and it happens, it's magic. When it doesn't happen, the universe knows better. His plan is bigger than mine. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Slowly bring your attention to your breath and gently open your eyes. Hope you all have enjoyed these affirmations on beliefs by Manoj ji. Thank you so much, Manoj ji, for wonderful affirmation and inculcating all the empowering beliefs in us by these affirmations. YouTube link for these affirmations are available. We all are conditioned by our parents, teachers, relatives, friends, books, news, media, newspapers, TV, and somewhere we are made up of these beliefs. We start feeling that we are these beliefs and we start acting by these beliefs also. But as we choose our food, we can also choose our beliefs and thoughts. When we choose empowering thoughts and empowering beliefs, you will become an empowering person. So, we would like to invite you all in our RSVK and Life Essence Academy, where we practice how to transform our thoughts and beliefs in empowering thoughts and empowering beliefs. So, Leah Help Desk and Leah System will help you to be in this belief system for every time. We have our help desk number and our Zoom link available on the screen. Our Zoom link is daily open in the morning time, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. and evening time, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. We also have provided our QR code. So just feel free to join us, and thank you so much. I feel Jigna Ma is there. So because of the technical difficulty, we have somewhere we have started affirmation. So let's start with Jigna Ma again. So we cannot lose on some important breathing exercises. Yes, Jigna Ma, over to you again. Jigna Ma, we cannot hear you.
Hello. Yeah, fine. Today we will learn Vrukshasana. For that, asanas, please stand up. Yeah, let's together. Stand up, feet together. Arms at the side. Focus the gaze on fixed point, right? In front of your face. In asanas, stance is very important. In every asanas, stance is very important. Suppose in cricket, before the batsman hit the ball, stands in particular manner, right? So which we can call the stance, in which he adjusts shoulders, legs, in short getting into the position, right? To hit the ball. So in similar way, in yoga, stance in every asana, stance is very important. Suppose before starting Vrukshasana, I have given you the instruction that legs together, arms by side. Yeah, these are this type of instructions. are very important in asanas. Okay, let's start. Bend the right leg, grasp the ankle, and place the sole of the foot on the inside of the left thigh. Right? If you would like to take support of the wall temporarily, you can. Now balance, then you are totally balanced, body is balanced. Place the hand in prayer position in front of the chest. Okay. Now you have to hold this posture for 30 seconds. Right? You can stand it like this posture for 30 seconds in Namaskar Mudra. Count it 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Every day you have to practice this asanas, Vrikshasana, to balance yourself. It's a balancing postures. And there are lots of benefit of this asanas, Vrikshasana. Slowly and gently relax your leg, right? When body is balanced, please. With this system, with this asanas, is develop nervous balance system, is effect on the nervous system, right? It also strengthens the legs, muscles, ankle and foot muscles. And most of the time, our mind is occupied by some conflicts. Listen it carefully. These are the benefit of Vrikshasana. Right? Most of the time, our mind is occupied in some conflict, in sense, what to do, I do it or not, right? We are not able to take any type of decision. This confusing state of conflict of not deciding what to do can be matter of distress. Decision making includes aim, objective, idea, capacity, ability. The byproduct of doing Vrikshasana is that it strikes the conflict, right? It gives you a clear view and help you in decision making. So this is very simple asanas, but you have to practice it regularly. Let's do it with left leg, right? Again, bend the left leg, put it into the root of thigh joints, right? When you feel balance at that time, put your hands in Namaskar Mudra. Very nice. Hold it. Focus the gaze on fixed point. And hold it for 30 seconds. If you do it more than that, then it would be very nice. Slowly and gently relax and relax your hand. Right? Okay. Now we will do the next practice of breathing practice. Now sit down. Now, in this breathing practice, we have to do whatever the amount of air you can inhale, remaining the same. Inhalation remaining the same, while during exhalation, you allow it to go very slowly. Means if you inhaling for 4 seconds, then exhalation is for 8 seconds. But the same contraction of abdomen remain the same, right? So now again, place your right hand on the chest and left hand on the navel region. Sit straight, sit comfortably. Have a beautiful smile on your face. Close your eyes. Be with my instruction and listen it carefully. Take a deep breath in and slowly and gently breathe out. Breathe out. Contract your abdomen. Contract, contract. And it's remain contracted. Right. Now breathing. 2, 3, 4. Now slowly breathe out. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the practice for pranayama. From tomorrow, we will start pranayama. For that, you need this type of practice. Inhalation, 4 seconds, and exhalation, 8 means it's double. If you go for 3 seconds, if you are beginners, so don't worry. Do it for 3 seconds and exhalation, 6 seconds, right? So let's start. We will do it for 3 seconds and ratio double, means 6. If you go for 4, then 8 seconds. Okay, now again close the eyes. First, we do the exhalation. Exhalation start. Breathe out, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now keep it contracted. Now inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. Expand your chest. Very nice. And slowly and gently exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, keep your abdomen contracted. Breathe, inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. And slowly breathe out. Exhalation. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, breathe in. 2, 3. Hold. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do it at your own. While exhale, you can stop, relax your hand, and gently just observe your body. Observe your mind. You are totally relaxed. Okay, fine. Tomorrow we will learn pranayam, Nadi Shodhan pranayam. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for today.
Thank you so much, Jignama, for sharing the benefits of Vriksha Asana and yogic breathing with us. Now, before we end this session, let's do our segment intending. So segment intending is a type of gratitude application in which we give gratitude to our past 1.5 hour and we create our next 1.5 hour. So for that, keep your left hand on your heart and say, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
The past 1.5 hour was the best hour of my life. I choose to believe what I want to believe. Now for creating next 1.5 hour, keep your right hand on your heart and say, thank you, thank you, thank you. The next 1.5 hour is the best hour of my life. I am aware of my thoughts while thinking. I am aware of my words while speaking. And I am aware of my actions while doing the things. So with this, thank you so much, everyone.
That was a wonderful session. I hope you all are feeling relaxed by now. Remember to join back tomorrow 7:30 in the evening for an English session and 7:30 in the morning for a Hindi session. I hope to see you there tomorrow. Now, I would like to keep you all informed about some of the activities of Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka. The first one is Scout Oxygen Bank. Oxygen is provided to COVID-19 positive individuals who are under home isolation when they're in need. There is a contact number that is given and you can reach out to Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka when in need of oxygen concentrators or oxygen. The next one is the Digital Scout registration. All Cubs, Bulbul Scouts, Guides, Rangers and Rovers can now register themselves digitally. We all can stay updated on a virtual basis. You will get information about activities and other programs from Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka directly. All you need to do is to open the browser and enter the link that is given, fill the form and submit it. The next one is the good turn each and every day. As I mentioned yesterday, make sure to do one good turn on a daily basis starting from yesterday for a week. So the good turn for tomorrow is to write a thank you letter for your teacher. Tell them how they played an influential part in your life and tell them what you liked the most in that class. Also, join the Corona Wellness Program tomorrow, either 7:30 in the evening or in the morning. Share a picture of that, you doing the exercise along with your family, put it on your social media websites and share the link in the link that is given below. The next one is about the Scouts Kilo badges. In case you have completed the Scouts Kilo badge, you can submit the Cook badge in the first link that is given and the Solar Energy badge level 1 in the second link that is given. The next one is about the family tree chart. As you might have attended the webinar about the family tree chart, you can make one and upload it in the link that is given there. Also, you can interview any family member that you know is a part of scouting or guiding in their life, ask them questions of their experience, how they felt and what they learned in the course. And you can upload the same in the link that is given. I hope you all enjoyed today's session. Hope to see you all tomorrow. Thank you.